Hello, my name is Jordy. I am a senior and graduate of Allison Academy. One thing I absolutely loved about this school was the amazing teachers. They give you support whenever you need them and are there to hear you out if you need it. My future plans are to go to Dade and get into politics later on in my life.
Hey, my name is Ben. I'm graduating here at Allison Academy. This school really helped me, especially the teachers. They helped me graduate, and I hope to do some really good stuff in the future.
Hi, my name is Ricard. I'm graduating here at Allison Academy. I'm the salutatorian at Allison Academy. What I liked most about Allison Academy was how accepted they made you feel as soon you walked in. And I loved all the teachers and everyone. What I'm doing in the future, I'm going to Nova University and I'm majoring in IT.
My name is Dutch. I'm graduating from Allison Academy, class of 22. Allison Academy has been a great experience all my 4 years here. It's a really warm experience here at Allison, and I am going to be opening my own business in the future.